Like us. If you make less than $250,000 a year in America right now, flyer. But I know tech leads, dentists, and lawyers making $250K, $400K,
who are still one emergency away from disaster.
Income is not the problem. The game you're playing is. For exactly 3 money milestones that actually change your life. Not your salary. Not your job title.
These 3 numbers.
1. Your first $10,000 saved.
Your first $100,000 liquid.
3. Your first $1 million net worth.
Let me break each one down and show you why 99% of people never reach even the first. Milestone 1, $10,000 saved. This is stability.
3. For the first time in your life.
A $2,500 medical bill doesn't force you into credit card debt. Losing your job doesn't mean missing rent next month.
You finally sleep without that knot in your stomach.
How do you get there? Fast and halal.
Pick one skill people are paying $5 to $25 for in 2025.
Big. AI automation, cold email, sales closing, YouTube strategy, whatever.
Learn it in 60 days. Start charging on day 61.
Then, save 70% of every dollar that hits your account.
Most people can hit 10K saved in 4 to 9 months if they stop wasting time.
Milestone 2, a $100,000 liquid. This is freedom.
Quit the job that disrespects you.
Move cities or countries without panic. Say no to haram side hustles forever. Start your own thing without begging banks for riba loans.
But here's where 95% of people destroy everything. They hit $80K, $100K and immediately upgrade the car, the apartment, the vacations. They go from broke to high-income broke.
Don't be that person.
Milestone 3. $1 million net worth. This is options.
Now you don't work for money. Money works for you.
You can retire your parents.
Work 10 hours a week or 0. Start businesses that actually matter. Give sadaqah and zakat that changes lives.
But never put all your eggs in one basket.
Diversify income, diversify skills, diversify investments, all 100% Sharia-compliant. And never forget the one asset you can't buy back, your health. Lift weights, walk 10,000 steps, eat real food, sleep 8 hours. Final truth nobody wants to hear. Money doesn't buy happiness. It buys time.
Time to pray without rushing. Time to play with your kids. Time to read Quran in peace.
The richest people I know always say the same thing. The happiest years were when we had nothing, but we were learning. You don't need a Lamborghini or a 7-figure business to be fulfilled. You need control over your time, work you don't hate, and people who love you for you.
And the best part? You can start building all of this today.
So if you're ready to stop being broke at any income level, drop "I'm starting today" in the comments, plus your #1 money goal for 2026. Let's build real wealth, the right way, starting right now.